Hi, I'm Betsy, and I've become fascinated with the prospect of growing mango trees from the mangoes that we buy in our local market. So the past couple of months, I've been experimenting with this. When we eat this mango, as you know, when you cut into the mango, there's quite a broad seed inside of it. And inside of that seed, once it dries out, if you pry it open, you'll find inside of that the little seed. So I've been starting the seeds using this method of actually in a plastic bag, placing the seed in a damp paper towel, and I actually change this paper towel each day because I don't want the seed to develop any sort of mold or fungus. So I'll show you now. So this is the seed. So this has been actually in the paper bag now for about a week. And you can see here at the end, what will start to form initially is the root. And so from the same area, both the root and the stem will then sprout. So this is a seed that I've just started, and this is actually a plant that I started several weeks ago. So you can see now it has quite a complex root structure already formed. And you can see that from the same area where the root came, also the plant itself has now grown. Now, this particular plant has grown very rapidly because I've actually been placing it on a device that was developed by my friend Victor Sims. And this is a device that's manufactured by his company, World Development Systems. And this device is actually a plant enhancer. So it works with plasma technology, and it has a series of both homeopathic remedies and other support remedies that actually help the efficacy of the plant growth. And so this particular plant has been placed on this now for about 2 weeks. And I was away. When I came back, my daughter looked after it. When I came back, it had gone from having a tiny sprout and one main central root to having this rather complex root system now that exists. So now today, we're going to transplant this plant into soil. So you can see I have the soil in here. And now I'm actually going to add to this soil another magical product called biochar. So the biochar is a carbon vegetable addition, amendment for soil. And this is a product that in fact has a long history and was called terra preta in ancient times. And this particular carbon biochar I'm going to add to my soil. I'm going to mix it up, and then I'm going to actually put that into this pot. There are already some stones in here to aid in the drainage. And we're going to mix this up now. So I've borrowed a kitchen spoon, don't tell my husband, but I'm going to mix in a couple of spoonfuls of this biochar and mix that around in here. And now I'm actually going to continue to use the little sticks that I've attached. We're going to try to suspend this now in the pot, because I want to gently place the soil around my mango tree. So I'm going to turn this off now, and then we'll come back when I've actually taken this spoon and filled the pot with this. So thanks for being with us, and we'll be back in a minute. So now you can see I've actually taken the sticks that I had initially used to support my mango tree in its jar of water. And now my mango tree is actually here in the pot. And we're going to be watching it the next few days to make sure that it hasn't actually suffered any sort of ill effects from being transplanted. But we'll put it back on the World Development System plant enhancer. That will also support its healthy growth. And we'll give you an update as we see how our little plant does over the next few days. So here we are. I think it's been 4 days since we transplanted, and my little mango tree seems to have settled into its home in the pot, and it's just on a sunny window in my living room. So that's a 4-day after transplant update.